Good day everyone, welcome to a small market update as the market is going absolutely crazy if you are in some specific altcoins, and other altcoins are also showing a slight relief or just a relief or a breakout, whatever you make of it. It's a very bullish market and that's great. Also, if you did not check the live stream yesterday, please check the live stream from yesterday in which we have discussed many coins. That's why we're just doing a small market update during this morning. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm targeting 20k subs before the end of the year. It would be amazing if we can reach it. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos that I've posted. Also, we've got a discount for my group, which is ponsankagroup.com/memberships. The link is below in the description. If you want to become a member, the discount is there until the 1st of December. And I've been nominated for the Impactful Person Award for the Dutch Blockchain Awards. You can see my name standing here as one of the nominees. If you want to or would love to, you can bring out the vote on awards.computable.nl/stem. I will put a link in the description if you want to if you can vote there. That would be amazing. Then the markets, heavy volatility still, heavy momentum on several altcoins still. Regarding Bitcoin, we can see that there's still some specific levels that should be holding in general in order to see the continuation, and that's also what we have discussed on the live stream yesterday. So on the downside, the area that we should be holding is the area around 18k. On the upside, the area to crack is the area around 18.5 to 18.7. And that upper resistance zone is still not broken. And the downward support zone is also not broken. So we did see a test during the night. As I said last night, there was some tricky momentum in the price movements. We did test the lows and we did hold the lows. So in that perspective, we've got a mini range here, right? Losing 18k, and I'm expecting a drop to 17.2 to 17.4 to occur. However, if we sustain the support and if we continue to have this strength in the markets in general, it's more likely that we're going to sweep the highs. So once we break through 18.5, I'm expecting that we are going towards the region around all-time high and are going to sweep that high, get the momentum, make a slight blow off top, and then we start correcting. So the levels to watch on the lower time frames on Bitcoin are 18.5 to 18.7, and the lower time frames on the support zone is this region between 17.9 to 18.1. Then Ethereum. Slightly different view on Ethereum than on XRP, for instance, as XRP is just making new highs after highs after highs, right? We have been discussing this on the live stream yesterday as well, so that's why you see this blurry chart. The region where we are in is the price movements we've got from the previous area in 2018, which is between 600 to 650, that whole range, which is also the 0.618 Fibonacci level. ETH is not giving too much strength yet, but we see that we are making that strong bounce, so it's all okay. Making a correction here would not be unlikely. Can we continue towards $800? Yes, we can, but are we going to see a correction at one point? Yes. And which levels are we going to test? The levels that we are going to test are the region between 450 to 480, as in a new upward trend, every previous level of resistance gets a test for confirmation of support. So I do understand the FOMO, but taking some partial profits is not wrong. You can use that liquidity to buy the dip and make a heavier accumulation to your position, as in most likely cases the next rally will bring us towards $1,000. So at this point, daily time frame, we do see that there is still strength. Lower time frame, we can see that we have to break through 612 to 615 in order to see continuation going on. If that's not possible, I think we're going to test those lows again and might have a mini reversal on the lower time frames. ETH BTC, still the same as what I've said earlier. we are in the region of, I've done it on a clean chart. That's true. I've stated this earlier. We do have a massive break up. We do have the bullish divergence marking this break up, but we are in this region that we used to be in. So what you want to see is the support resistance flip of either 0.31, but most likely the area here between 285 and 295, and that would mark a higher low and confirmation of a new bottom to be made. That corrective move, then the next rally is going to make the crazy alt season that we are familiar with. So at this point, I think ETH might be into a potential topping season, in which it's going to correct a little bit. XRP, massive move. In general, if you're in this one, I would definitely argue to take profits. Even the upper resistance zone is hit after 50 cents. Completely unexpected for me, but congratulations if you are in it. Those pumps often do not end up being well. So if you are in this one, I would definitely take some profits. The region that I'll be looking at for buys is based on the daily time frame, which is in this region. And then I'm going to take some heavy longs on XRP for sure. Then we can watch some altcoins that are starting to wake up. So for instance, Phantom, they are all making a slight rally up through seeing a relief rally in general. So Sealer is similar to doing that. We can see that we flip previous support levels, make a relief rally to test previous resistance levels for support. Not a full confirmation of reversal yet, but what we can see is that we do get such a rally and then make another correction before we start to kick off. So those smaller caps, as I said earlier in the live stream, most likely receive another test of the support before continuation, while the major caps and the large caps are going to test the previous highs for support and then continue to run. That's my small update for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please vote for me, check out the website, and I'll see you back tomorrow.